So are you looking for a crazy cool backpack that's going to hold your photography and drones? Well, this is just it. This is a backpack from Lowepro, and it is the ProTactic 450, and it is absolutely incredible. You can see that it's got this really cool webbing out in the front that allows you to hook whatever you want off the side of it. So it is completely versatile. It has this reinforced padding here, which will allow it to keep the shape and keep whatever's inside, like a camera or lens, super safe. You can access it through the front using a zipper here. And if I flip it over the side, you can see that over here, it's got amazing cooling for carrying this backpack over long periods and distances. It's got these really cool buckles and straps, which are super high quality and very, very durable. And if I just open this up here, you can see that inside this backpack, you can see that you can basically create any separators you want. I basically keep my camera up on the front, my drone right here, as well as my lens right there, and it keeps everything super safe and allows for all these really cool compartments. Everything feels super high quality and durable. You can see here that it's got zippers galore everywhere, and you can just open them up here and see inside. It's got a light film which allows you to see whether you have camera cards or batteries inside there. And overall, this has been a very, very high quality backpack, and I have absolutely been loving it, taking it on different trips. You can see that this got a really nice rubber holder here, which allows you to pick up the backpack. And yeah, if you're looking for something that you can take with you wherever you go on your travels, definitely check this out. It's got even pockets here that you can access the camera and lenses from the sides, and it has pretty much got everything you will possibly need. So I would highly recommend you check out this backpack from Lowepro. It has definitely been a lifesaver and super, super high quality.